Hey everybody, we are back with another virtual open house today, and we are joined with Dallas Shoemaker, who is out at 28 Castleglen Crescent Northeast. Hey Dallas, how you doing today?
I'm good. What a beautiful day it is.
It's like sunny outside today.
I know I have to squint.
You had to squint. You know it's a good day when you gotta squint. All right, we're at Castleglen Crescent. Why don't you tell us a little bit more about this house?
Awesome. So this is a beautiful bungalow. It's in very, very good condition. It's very highly maintained. Single oversized garage. The bungalow does come in at 1042 square feet. It does have a separate walk-up entrance to the basement with an illegal suite.
Oh, okay.
Um, yep. And we'll
Cool.
just head in now.
Cool. And as you're heading upstairs there, we just want everyone to know that that open houses. I mean, pretty much everyone knows by now, but open houses are canceled. And if you are wanting to do a any type of showing or virtual showing or anything like that, this is one way we can do it. You can actually meet with our agents, do a virtual showing if you're not able to get into the house or the sellers don't want other people in the homes. We can do that for any listing in the city. So I'm going to paste a link right here for everyone where you can learn more about our virtual showings. So take it away, good sir. Give us the tour of the house.
You got it. So let's go in. All right, here we are. So you walk right into the living room. You're going to notice that there's very large windows throughout the main level. I'm going to give you a quick turnaround here.
Yeah, don't move too quick. Keep it nice and steady. Nice. Oh, this is a great little room. It's awesome. So that's the front
Beautiful
room
there.
off of the front door there.
Exactly. And here's the
Cool.
dining area. And then if we make our way just a little bit further, we have a separate, kind of separated kitchen here. Plenty of cabinet space, plenty of counter space. Another large window here.
And what is the price of this place again, Dallas?
359,900.
359.9. Okay, perfect. And it's a
Trying the
bungalow,
whole
correct?
right. I had too much coffee. My hands literally kind of guilty. It's I never thought about that. Okay, we're gonna make our way down the hallway, and I'm gonna take you to the master bedroom right away. Okay,
Okay, great.
decent size. I am gonna point out that not all, but the majority of the windows have been replaced within the past couple of years. This is south facing, so you'll get a lot of sunlight.
Yeah, I was noticing that. So they're all kind of upgraded to vinyl, or mostly upgraded to vinyl windows then.
Correct. We're gonna swing
Nice.
into the second bedroom here.
And what
There
does
we are.
the yard look like from there, just so people can kind of get a sense of what that looks like?
Absolutely, it's 450 square meters. It's actually my favorite. My favorite thing about this property is this beautiful back south facing yard. It gets just drowned in sunlight. There's a beautiful mature tree here, providing some shade.
And it's not on your lot. That's the best part.
Exactly, yeah, no
Actually,
gate.
both sides. Yeah, it's great.
And there's also a nice deck and pergola down there. We'll get out there in a second,
Cool.
and we'll take a look at the third and final bedroom upstairs. There we are.
Maybe just point down in the bedroom there. We couldn't quite see. Okay, so yeah, so that's what the room size is like. So the three bedrooms are on the back of the house there.
There we go. And then, last but not least, there's a four-piece bath tucked right beside them all.
Okay, great.
So sneak in there, pile on the floor. Of course, here's your tub shower combo on the right.
And toothbrushes ready to go.
Yeah, no, not included.
Oh, okay, well,
I
shoot.
guess you could ask for it.
Well,
Okay.
do you want to? So this has
So here,
an illegal suite. Is that
yeah,
what you said before? A side
correct. So
entrance. Okay.
here's our side entrance. I'm just gonna pop this open and kind of take a slight detour. So the single oversized garage is right here to my side.
Oh, so it's a
There's
side. Okay.
Yep. So there's the man door. There's a little gate to the backyard here for a tenant. Okay. And then this is the large deck and pergola that I spoke of.
Oh, nice. So it actually has a good side yard to the house too, instead of it just being
Oh,
that backyard.
yeah. No, it's a perfect spot to sit. It's very private, very tranquil, peaceful.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we'll head back in here, and we're gonna head downstairs and look at the suite.
Okay, perfect.
There
So
we go.
these people have this rented out right now, currently?
Yes, Jared, that's correct. So they have a
Okay.
tenant. He is paying $750 a month. He's on a month-to-month lease, and he is willing to stay with the next owner.
Okay.
So that could be something.
Great.
Here we have the large family room down here. Okay. And then let's take
And
a
then
picture at the
it's
bedroom.
kind of a 2 bedroom or 1 bedroom downstairs?
So there's just one bedroom and a large
Just the
family
one.
room.
Okay.
Yeah. And here's the one bedroom. It's a very good sized bedroom for the tenant. Yeah, keep in mind it's being rented right now. It's
It's
not
well
sure.
lived in. Well lived
Okay.
in. And
Yeah, yeah.
in its natural habitat.
And then we have a 3-piece bathroom downstairs. Okay. So you come in here and there's the toilet, sink, and then the shower actually kind of tucks away behind the door. It's kind of well crafted here.
Oh, okay. I fit everything in there.
Yep. I
mean,
can't make
it's-
it any brighter, unfortunately, but
No, it's great.
it's a good, good use of space there.
Yeah, it's a great use of space for a kind of a basement suite in that
Yep.
sense. Yeah.
Backtrack here, and we're gonna head to another private kitchen. So here's the suite. Everything you need down here. Nice L-shaped counter, oven, fridge, microwave, plenty of cabin space again.
Okay, cool.
And the one thing I'm leaving here is the laundry. This is a private laundry room.
So then, do
I don't
the
know.
owners upstairs and tenant downstairs, or up-down unit individuals, do they share the laundry room?
Correct. Shared laundry.
Okay, so then they'll have to come into that space to use the laundry just to make sure everyone's
Yep.
clear with
Exactly.
that. Okay,
Exactly.
okay.
Yeah, and that about wraps it up. We do have another large understairs storage room here, but owner's request, I've kept it locked.
Oh, okay.
So I won't be able to take it in there, but there is a large storage room just for any miscellaneous things, Christmas trees, golf clubs, you name it.
Yeah, just lots of storage there, options. Okay, cool. That's great.
There.
So again, let's just recap. So priced at
$359,900.
yeah,
1,042 square foot bungalow with a separate walk-up suite.
great.
The house was built in 1982. It's a very, very beautiful lot, 450 square meters, lots of sunlight, lots of big windows. If you're looking to get a home with a little mortgage income helper in the basement, you got it right here. Very quiet in this location.
Yeah. And what about the location itself? So it's in what community? Whereabouts are you in the city right now? Just so to help people explain.
Yeah, so we're in Castle Ridge. Best way I can explain it, we're just on the other side, the east side of the airport. Straight shot from McKnight and take a little drive north. Shoppers Drug Mart, lots of plazas, 3 schools nearby. The YMCA just to the north of here. It's a great location.
Okay, that's great. Well, thank you, sir. And that's what we got today. So if you have any interest in this property, you can reach out to Dallas directly. Dallas, what's the best phone number for you? I'll type it in here for everybody.
Yes, sir. It's 587-899-8402.
899-8402. There we go. Dallas's number is in there. So if you have any questions about this property, if you have any questions about this house, if there's any other properties you want to see, just reach out to us and we'll be able to get you into those homes. But we're going to sign off on another virtual open house as our world has changed, and this is what we do. All right, we will see you all later. Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.